Hello drivers and welcome to my channel. My name is Ava, and I am here to guide you through the traffic rules in America. At an intersection, a pedestrian is crossing one of the roads while three cars arrive almost simultaneously. Which should be given the right of way in this situation? Number 1, car A. Number 2, car B. Number 3, car C. Number 4, the pedestrians. Take a few moments to ponder and attempt to identify the right answer. The moment has arrived. Did you succeed? Let us look at your result. Number 4, the pedestrians. A vehicle must yield to pedestrians in a marked or unmarked crosswalk, and at an intersection without signs or signals, each vehicle must yield to the one on its right. Therefore, car A must yield to car C must yield to car B, and car B must yield to the pedestrian. Thanks for watching this video on traffic rules in America. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.